From the Q Television Centre with community news and entertainment that matters to you. This is QTV.
Hi, I'm Brian Gallagher with a look at today's entertainment news. Now, good news if you're a fan of Wolverine. 4 more movies are being planned and it looks like bosses are ready to pay through the nose to keep Hugh Jackman in the role. It's been reported that Fox are offering Hugh £64 million, which is $100 million to return as Logan. Will it be like Rocky 97 and about 10 years it'll be like, oh my back, oh. Victoria Beckham is trying to change her image in social media. Big heading saying Victoria Beckham is smiling on Twitter. I don't think she's trying to change it. I think she's just trying to prove that she can still move her face after a liter of Botox. Finally for now, Tom Jones down the valleys is about to quit The Voice UK. He's the 3rd big name to quit. I think that he didn't realise that everybody was gone and then just one day in the tea room he was like, I'd like some cake. Where is everybody when Sir and I's go down the caravan? That's us, up to date with our entertainment news. Stay here on Q Lifestyle or listen to us on Q Radio.